Okay, here's a video of my fire alarm system. I'll show, here's the buzzers that we have for it. I got them from Radio Shack, so you can kind of see what they look like. Here's my homemade panel. Main power is always on as long as there's power, obviously. System activated, that goes on, and then system silenced when it's silenced. There are my reset keys. I've got a Simplex, God, I don't even know the model number. Hang on a second, I'll find out. Just silence it. 519-210E. These are non-coded. I want to get some codeds for it, or coded pull stations for it. This panel is homemade, by the way. Okay. Now you can notice I have a line running across here to my other pull station. It's an Edwards 270-SPO pull station, same buzzer from Radio Shack. I've got a little keychain screwdriver that I use to open this thing up. There we go. Can't always get some good leverage on it, but here's the little switch that opens it up. So yeah, we'll test it. First, we'll start with the Simplex pull station here. Let me just make sure that this thing isn't silenced. I'm not sure if I took it out or not. Hang on. Oh, here's my controls, by the way. You got silence. This is set to normal right now with silence, normal, and there's a little test button. So, well, go ahead and set it off. Silence. System activated turns off, system silence goes on. Okay, notice my lovely pull station. By the way, anybody wants to know, I got this off eBay. That's where I get all my fire alarm pull stations from. Okay, now we simply open up the panel again. Switch it back to normal. There we go. Alright, now we'll test the Edwards over here. Things are annoying, but they do the job. There we go. Again, system silenced. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Now we just go ahead and switch it back to normal. Very simple. Okay, that's really it. So please rate and comment. Thanks.